Good evening. We interrupt regular programming for breaking news out of Virginia. Reports are coming in of yet another containment breach at a privately funded research facility known only as Foxtrot. Details are still developing, but sources confirm the entity involved is, once again, a humanoid. Yes. Another one. This marks the 50th billionth recorded incident involving a vaguely human-shaped anomaly escaping containment, raising serious questions among experts. Are humanoid entities the only thing these people deal with? I mean, statistically speaking, there have to be other shapes. Authorities have not released details on the entity's abilities, but if trends continue, it is expected to be extremely fast, highly aggressive, immune to conventional weapons, and emotionally unstable. So, business as usual. Residents in the surrounding area have reported unusual sirens and a growing sense of existential dread, though officials insist everything is under control. We now turn to an emergency broadcast just issued moments ago.
This is not a test. Yeah, hi. This is the Foxtrot Foundation. We're gonna keep this short. An anomaly has breached containment. Again. It is humanoid. Also again. We're not entirely sure what it does yet, but based on past experience, it will probably run really fast, kill a lot of people, ignore physics, and somehow get stronger the more you look at it, so that's great. At this time, we recommend you stay indoors, avoid all humanoid figures, avoid all non-humanoid figures, just to be safe, and maybe start coming to terms with things. Containment teams have been deployed, but they are likely already dead. We will be activating several emergency protocols, including denial, panic, and figure it out as we go. If you see the entity, do not approach. If the entity sees you, that's unfortunate. If you are the entity, please return to containment. This incident may result in the end of the world. We apologize for the inconvenience. Foxtrot Foundation out.